Welcome to the Itchy Techie channel. Today I am going to show you how to become a Windows Insider. First of all, what is the Windows Insider program? The Windows Insider program is an optional service offered by Microsoft that allows people to test the next version of Windows before it is released to the public. The program is targeted at early users and fans, or those who like beta testing new software. Moreover, from only using the program, Microsoft invites users to provide feedback on their experiences to the Windows development team using a dedicated app that includes ratings and a spot to make notes. In a nutshell, the Windows Insider program is a massive beta test. Okay, now you have an idea about the Windows Insider program. Let's check how to join the program. You can search for Windows Insider Program in the Windows search, or you can go to Start, then in Settings Windows go to Updates and Security Setting. There are some updates and I will install them. In the Windows Updates window, you can find the Windows Insider program as the last feature. Then click the Get Started button to register. It will ask for your Microsoft account to continue. You can give the current account or with a new account. I am signing in with my current account registered with the device. Now it asks you to pick the channel you want to join. The Insider program has 3 channels, namely, Dev Channel, Beta Channel, and Release Preview Channel. Microsoft sends incomplete Windows 11 builds to Dev Channel insiders and provides Microsoft with input about what they like, how they don't like it, and any problems. It is ideal for highly technical users. Insiders of this channel are the first to access the latest Windows 11 builds earliest in the development cycle with the newest code. There will be some rough edges and low stability. If the construction becomes stable enough, the beta channel will be promoted, and finally, the release preview channel will be affected. Beta channel is ideal for early adopters. These Windows 11 builds will be more reliable than builds from the dev channel, with updates validated by Microsoft. Your feedback has the greatest input here. The release preview channel is ideal for insiders who want to preview fixes and certain key features, plus get optional access to the next version of Windows 11 before it's generally available to the public. Select the channel you wish to join and click the Confirm button. You can view Windows Insider Privacy Statement and Program Agreement in this window. Please go through them and get a better understanding. Finally, it asks to restart the computer to take effects of the Insider program. The greatest advantage of the Insider program is that users get to test new Windows 11 features before anybody else. Sure, some of the features may not be finalized, but for the most part, the things that do appear in builds for insiders are more or less finished. This often means that insiders are utilizing new features months before they are officially released. This is useful if you're an IT professional or developer checking out new features to ensure they don't interfere with anything critical. Of course, one of the best aspects of the Insider program is that Microsoft pays attention to its members. Microsoft invites insiders to provide input on anything and everything, including problems, recommendations, and your ideas. Depending on how popular your input is, Microsoft may even include it in Windows. Finally, the Windows Insider program is a large community. According to Microsoft, the community has a population of 10 million individuals. That's a lot of individuals with common interests and beliefs. If you like Microsoft or Windows, the Insider program is a fantastic way to meet other individuals who share your interests. There are also insider gatherings where you may meet other individuals in person. The Insider program is for testing. It's where Microsoft may make incomplete, flawed code available to the public for testing and feedback. As a result, depending on the build that Microsoft has published, your PC may become less stable at times. For the most part, this isn't an issue because Microsoft doesn't, generally, release builds with serious issues. Microsoft typically releases a new Windows Insider build once each week, which means you'll be getting new builds regularly. Builds can occasionally range from 1 GB to 3 GB, so if you're on a low bandwidth internet connection, that data will be devoured quickly. There is no way to minimize the data sent back to Microsoft when you opt into the Insider program, so even if it's all anonymous, it's still being sent back and evaluated, according to Microsoft. Joining the Insider program also authorizes your PC to submit more telemetry, or personal device information, to Microsoft for feedback reasons. If you dislike telemetry, the Insider program is not for you. Now let's go and check the Windows Insider feature. After enabling the Insider program, all the updates are shown under Windows Updates and it shows it is an Insider update. It seems like I don't have any update yet. In the Windows Insider program window, you can see the selected channel, Insider account, and you can stop getting preview builds. I am not sure why it still shows Windows 10 in this window. Maybe Microsoft may not have configured this yet since they did not officially release Windows 11. You can still change the Insider channel if you wish to change by clicking on the listed channel option. If you wish to stop getting preview builds, you can use the See Options button under the Stop Getting Preview Builds option. Then you can stop getting future updates for the Insider program by turning the On toggle button. But if you wish to leave the whole Insider program, you need to reset the PC and install a fresh copy of Windows. You can get information regarding this from the link at the bottom of the window. You can get more information about Insider program from the Becoming a Windows Insider link on the Windows Insider program window. Yes, Microsoft is still talking about Windows 10, since Windows 11 is not officially released to the public. It may take months to release Windows 11. Let's see how to give feedback for Insider program. You can view the feedback options in the Diagnostics and Feedback under Privacy Settings. And you can see the diagnostic data yourself using the View Diagnostic Data option, which may take up to 1 GB of hard disk space. You can install the Diagnostic Data Viewer from the Microsoft Store using the Open Diagnostic Data Viewer button. I'll go through the rest while the store is loaded. Of course, you can delete these data from your device. And you can set the feedback submitting frequency using the Insider program. Just gonna have a look at whether any updates yet for me. Nope, not yet. Now I am going to install the Diagnostic Data Viewer from the Microsoft Store. And I am going to pin it to Start menu. Let's start with the Diagnostic Data Viewer. And this is what you can see. You can go through the data one by one and information relevant to the data will appear on the right-hand side of the panel. In About Your Data option, it gives you an overview of the diagnostic data. I am not going to describe this window as you can understand it easily. Now let's provide feedback. I am going to Diagnostic Data Windows and submit event feedback. You need to sign in to Feedback Hub to proceed. I am using my current account to proceed. Few notifications are popping up regarding this service. You can change your feedback options from this window, also from the Feedback Hub. Please note this is not actual event feedback and I am submitting this just for your understanding. Therefore, please ignore the Cortana on suspension event. I want to ask Windows to provide a button to remove the user account picture. You can submit a screenshot, file attachment, or a recording of the window if you want. You can keep a copy of the feedback too. Then click the Submit button. It takes only 4 steps to submit feedback. Then it will show information regarding your feedback. Feel free to go through this information. And there are several options in the Insider Hub. In Achievements Windows, it shows your accomplishments as a Windows Insider. And that is all for this video. Welcome to Windows Insider. We shall meet again in next video on hidden features of Windows 11. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.